Everything I thought you never were, and nothing I thought you could have been. Still, still, the only one I wish you could forget, the only one I loved and not forget. Though you break my heart, you're the only one, and yes, there were times when I hated you, I can't explain, and times that you hurt me, tears on my face. Even now that I hate you, it pains me. Say, I know I'll be there at the end of the day. I don't wanna be without you, baby. I don't want a broken heart. Don't wanna take a breath without you, baby. I don't wanna play that part. I know that I love you, and let me just say, I don't wanna love you in no kind of way. Oh no, I don't want a broken heart. I don't wanna play the broken hearted girl. No, no, no broken hearted girl. Something that I feel I need to say. Still, I've always been afraid that you wouldn't come around. But still, I wanna put this out. You say you get the most respect from me, but it's time to hurt sense to me. Don't you break my heart. You're the only one, and yes, there were times when I hate you, but I don't complain. And times when you hurt me, tears on my face. Alright now.